Thanks to Adobe Sensei AI technology and Photoshop Elements, tedious tasks have been automated so you can focus on the fun stuff. Want to add 3D effects to your photos? Easy. Need to fine-tune the faces in your portraits? No problem. You can give new life to old photos. Turn a blink shot into the perfect shot. Make one-click selections. Create epic landscapes in an instant. Erase distractions with ease. Or smooth out skin texture and barely lift a finger. Auto creations are even easier. Find impressive photo edits and collages automatically made and waiting for you on your home screen. Pretty slick, right? And smart tags and people recognition help to make sure you can always find what you're looking for fast. With the power of Adobe Sensei on your side, organizing and editing your favorite photos has never been easier.